Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming to you from Beamer's Crafty Corner, and today we're gonna be doing this. Okay, I worked on this in Late Night Lunatics just because I was working on it and I wanted to see if I could do it, and I can. And what this is basically is this is heat foil, but I don't have the Mink machine or anything like that. So how do we do this? Well, I'm going to show you. I'm going to get some supplies. I'll be right back. Okay, supplies. Your die cutting machine. Plates. Shim. This is a piece of cardstock folded in half. A piece of cardstock. The die that you want to do this to. And then you're going to want stick glue, and then one of these heat foils, transfer sheets, okay? Now this one is $4.99. It's iCraft Deco Foil for fabric and paper, transfer sheets. There's 6 of them in there for $5. And this one is Glimmer Foil for the hot foil system from Spellbinders, and this one's like $8, $9, and it's one roll, 5 inches wide, 15 feet long, and this one gives you 6 inch wide, 12 inches long, so you get 6 feet in this one for $4.99, or 5 feet in this one, 15 feet in this one for like $10. Okay, $8-9, something like that. So we're going to use gold for this one. So I'm just going to open this up, and I'm going to get one of these sheets out. All right, we're going to take them all out so we can get a sheet. Ugh. This stuff is very fidgety, okay? It's annoying is what it is. And I'm going to roll this back up and put it away. Back in the tube with you. Alright, so let's get just a manageable piece of this. I don't know why everybody says this stuff is so difficult to cut. See, just cut. Okay. Into the tube with you. Get in there. Okay. Alright. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out your shape. So I'm just going to cut this out of regular cardstock. It's just a piece of Recollections, 65-pound cardstock. And I'm just going to cut this piece out. Pieces. Okie dokie. So what I have here is a set of wings. One out of the die. Pokey tool, I need you. Okay, so I have a set of wings, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on something to protect my work surface, and I'm going to go over them with some stick glue. Making sure that I cover the whole thing. Okay. And then I'm going to take these, put them on my cutting pad, and they're sticky. Okay? So I'm going to be careful with it because they are sticky. And I'll put them on my cutting pad, and I'm going to get them fairly close to each other, you know, because I don't want to waste the foil because it's expensive. Okay? Whoop. Stay. Okay. Sit, Ubu. Pokey tool. Alright, then I'm going to put a piece of foil over them. And then piece of cardstock and the top. And then we're going to roll this through the machine. And back. And I'm just going to do this a couple of times, because instead of using heat, I'm using pressure. Okay? Alright. So, I got that done. Give me a second. I'm going to clear off the desk and I'll be right back. Okay. So now we're going to take this little sandwich of ours apart. And now you see my wings are on here. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel my wings off of here slowly, just like you would a rub-on. And if there's something that isn't attached, I'm just going to go over it with my bone folder. And what I now have are 2 gold embossed wings. Okay? And it works great on cutouts. As you can see, I cut these, you know, I cut out the words, and then same thing. I just put the glue on it and ran it through the machine like 2-3 times. Forward and back a couple of times until you get this. Now, it's not solid, obviously. There's, you know, there's some of the color underneath showing through, but I think that kind of makes it look individual and unique. But it is a way of being able to use the foil if you don't have the machine to make this happen. Okay? That's it. That's what I got. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. Before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. If you'd like more information on when I go live and the things that I do, go ahead and click on the button in the description box below. It's going to give you a link over to my Facebook group where we post all kinds of happy stuff. You can also check the community tab here on my YouTube channel. And until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.